If you've been spending most of your summer just scrolling on your phone, this is your sign to stop. I know it's tempting to scroll for hours, but bestie, your life deserves just as much attention as theirs. Let's make this summer feel like something special, fun, creative, and full of little moments you'll actually remember. Have a solo picnic. Set up a cute picnic blanket, pack your favorite snacks, and bring a good book. Enjoy the sunshine, fresh air, and the calm of your own company. It's the perfect way to recharge while feeling like the main character. Paint your own canvas tote bag. Grab some fabric paints and personalize a tote with fun designs. Think strawberries, flowers, or smiley faces to match your vibe. It's a chill creative activity that leaves you with something cute to use. Make your own DIY spa day. Transform your space into a calming spa with candles and homemade treatments. Mix a simple face mask, use a hair mask, and paint your nails pretty. You'll feel pampered, refreshed, and totally in love with the process. Do a solo photo shoot in cute outfits. Put together outfits that make you feel confident and take photos around your house or outside. It's your chance to express your style and have fun in front of the camera. Plus, you get content for your socials or memories. Redecorate or theme your room. Choose a dreamy theme like soft girl, cottagecore, or clean girl and give your room a makeover. Rearrange your space, add cute decor, and light some fairy lights. You'll feel like you're living in your own Pinterest board. Try making a summer drink. Make your kitchen your playground with cute and refreshing drink recipes. Try layering matcha, blending strawberry milk, or infusing sparkling water with fruits. Serve them in a jar with a straw and enjoy. Start a letters to myself journal. Write honest, kind, or dreamy letters to your future self in a pretty notebook. You can reflect, vent, or manifest the life you want. It's one of the sweetest self-love habits you can start this season. Baking. Bake something cute like heart-shaped cookies or cupcakes. Get messy in the kitchen and create treats that look as good as they taste. Use cookie cutters, pastel icing, and sprinkles to make them pop. Then enjoy every bite with a proud little smile. Try a YouTube or yoga workout challenge. Choose a short daily challenge that feels fun, whether it's a quick workout or soft stretching. Move your body, feel good, and track your progress. It's a cute way to stay active without it feeling like a chore. Paint and decorate old jars for your desk or vanity. Reuse jars by painting them with soft pastels, glitter, or doodles that match your room. Use them for pens, paintbrushes, or just cute decor. It's an easy, fun project that adds personality to your space. Do a soft glam or natural makeup look. Try a cute makeup look with blush, glossy lips, and a little shimmer. Whether it's soft glam or natural, it's all about feeling pretty and having fun. Customize your phone with widgets and wallpapers. Give your phone a mini glow-up. Add matching wallpapers, icons, and widgets in your fave colors. It's a simple way to make your screen feel more you. Paint or customize old shoes with cute patterns. Bring new life to worn-out shoes by painting hearts, daisies, or stars on them. You can use paint pens or fabric markers to make it easier. They'll feel like brand new shoes with your personal touch. Make mini wall art. Cut out small papers or use mini canvases to create aesthetic art for your walls. Add positive quotes, butterflies, clouds, or whatever makes you smile. Display them like a gallery to give your room more charm. Sew a mini pouch or makeup bag. Take leftover fabric or old clothes and transform them into something cute and useful. Sew or glue it into a tiny pouch for your essentials. Add little decorations to make it match your aesthetic perfectly. Go for a bike ride and explore nearby streets. Ride around your neighborhood or find a quiet spot to explore. Feel the wind, enjoy the moment, and let yourself feel free. Read or start a book club with a friend. Pick a cozy book and set cute reading goals, even if it's just one chapter a day. Invite a friend to join so you can talk about your thoughts. It's a soft and sweet way to bond over stories. Make your own jewelry. Use beads, thread, or clay to design adorable accessories that fit your style. Make matching sets for you and your friends, or just for fun. Every piece becomes something you're proud to wear. Decorate your phone case. Turn a plain phone case into a little masterpiece with sparkles, paint, or cute charms. Make it match your mood, your outfits, or your favorite color. You'll love how your phone feels even more you. Collect cute things from nature and make art with them. Go for a walk and pick flowers, leaves, or small stones. When you get home, press the flowers in a book, create flat lays, or make nature-inspired collages. Try new nail designs. Try out fun patterns like flowers, swirls, or cute stickers on your nails. It's a creative little moment just for you, and your hands will look adorable. Learn a new hobby. Choose something you've always wanted to try and take your first step today. Whether it's sketching, video editing, or organizing in a bullet journal, it's about the joy, not perfection. You might just find your new passion. Watch a nostalgic childhood movie with popcorn and a cozy setup. Turn off the lights, grab a fuzzy blanket, and rewatch an old comfort film. Add popcorn, snacks, and maybe a stuffed animal or two. It's the perfect way to unwind and feel cozy. Deep clean your room. Wipe down every surface, organize your drawers, and light a candle after. It's like therapy and productivity in one satisfying session. Go window shopping with a friend. Put on your cutest outfit and walk through your favorite stores just for fun. Take mirror selfies, rate outfits, and enjoy the aesthetic of it all. Sometimes the vibe is better than the actual shopping. Clean your school bag and decorate your notebooks. Take everything out. Toss what you don't need and organize what's left. Add stickers, doodles, or washi tape to your notebooks to make them exciting. Starting fresh can feel surprisingly motivating. Make your own stickers. You only need paper, markers, and tape. Draw tiny designs, color them in, and use clear tape to turn them into stickers. Use them for journaling, decorating, or just collecting. It's easy, fun, and super satisfying. Try out 3 new hairstyles in one day. Experiment with different looks. Think braids, buns, or soft curls. You'll learn new tricks and figure out which styles suit you best. Don't forget to take pics after each one. Take a walk to a nearby place you've never explored. Pick a new route, put on your favorite outfit, and go explore your area. Even a short walk can feel like a mini adventure. You might find a hidden corner that becomes your new favorite spot. Let this be your sign to make this summer soft, fun, and full of little things that make you happy. You deserve more than just watching others. You deserve to enjoy your own life too. So, which idea are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know. If this video helped you or made you smile, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more feel-good content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and keep shining.